Hi everyone, this is Rene with WhyAmIGreen.com, and I've been telling you all that I'm getting ready for spring and ordering my seeds, and yay! My seeds just came in from MIGardner, and I'm going to have their address below here, but I'm going to go through them, show you what I got, and tell you a little bit about them and their customer service. Dun dun dun. Okay, well anyways, first thing I noticed when they came in was, because I already opened it, invoices wrapped up right in there, and they have their own really cool seed packages, which I'm going to go over here in a minute. But they came out with, they gave me 3 business cards. One is a normal business card, and this one here says, let's see, what does it says? Share with a friend and they can save 10% off their first order. So all of you are my friends, okay? So if you use the coupon code on your first order, and it's from me, okay? Can you see that? Oh, it's probably too wide. Share 10, see that? Share 10. And you get 10% off your first order. Now, you're going to like what I have to say about these seeds. So we get past the cards, and oh, the first one I see is my Loofah Gourds. Now, look at this package. They have their own little packaging. I like that white, and they printed it. If anything, the pictures are a little dark, so they might want to adjust their ink a little bit. But it's neat that they came up with their own packaging. So I'm going to go over what I got. I got some Loofah Gourds. I got some Moscow tomatoes. Now, Moscow tomatoes are interesting because what I liked about them is you can grow them in, actually they're good in 40-degree weather, okay? And I'm up here in Maine, so it can get kind of bad, okay? Especially in the spring. They're probably going to go out when it's about 40. So I got 1, 2, 3 packages of those. By the way, all their seed packages, every one that I saw on their page, are 99 cents each. So I bought multiple packages. These here are 25 count, so I got 1, 2, 3 of those. The delicious tomatoes, I didn't realize, but delicious tomatoes are bigger than the big boys. They, again, on their site, they tell a little write-up on just about everything. And I learned that they held the world record at this World's Fair for an 8-pound tomato. Well, that's a lot of pasta. Okay, 8 pounds. Can you imagine that? So I can go for 8 pounds. So I got 1, I got 2, I got 3. Ooh, I think I went a little crazy. It was late night when I ordered 4, and I got to tell you what I did with that too. So I got 4 of those. Now, of course, I was starting to think about, oh gosh, I can't spend too much. I still have to pay the mortgage. And then I ran across this tomato called the mortgage lifter. Mortgage lifter. So again, 99-cent tomato, and it's an absolutely huge tomato. So I figured the mortgage lifter helped me with my mortgage. I got 2 of those. Then I got into the beefsteak tomatoes. Oops. I got 2 beefsteak tomatoes. Yeah. See, I'm showing you both, even though they're the same thing. But beefsteak. Okay, very hypnotic, isn't it? Okay, then one of my hobbies, one of the things I like to do is grow hot peppers. They have a lot of hot peppers. So I got the Ankle Grande pepper. I got the Santa Fe Grande pepper. Look at that. That's really grande. I got the, and you guys are really going to get on my case for this, Pasilla Bagno. You can tell me how it's supposed to be. Okay, and there's 50 seeds in this for 99 cents. And I believe all of their seeds are heirloom. And they have a lot of, not origami, organic peppers, organic seeds as well. And one of my favorites, jalapenos, because I make a lot of jalapeno poppers, both fried and baked. And I like to eat those right off the plant. Jimmy Nardello. These look really cool. You know, I made a list yesterday of all the peppers I've ordered so far. I'm up to 24 different pepper varieties that I'm going to be growing. I don't know where I'm going to find the land for this. Then there's the Keystone Resistant Giant Pepper. And I got actually 2 of those. And the Tabasco hot pepper. Woo, Tabasco. The Serrano, oh boy, Tampiqueno. Serrano Tampiqueno. I think I am turning Spanish. I'm getting the language. Yeah, let's see. And then this one here is, habanero lemon. I got a feeling it's not going to taste like lemon, so I think it's going to be a hot son of a sea cook, right? And the last one I got here is the Hungarian Yellow. It's a Hungarian Yellow wax, okay? So you can see a lot of these have 50 and more seeds than that. So got quite a few seeds here. Let's see, I don't even know how many ordered. 23. See, there's the... I was going to say, I don't want you to see how much I paid, but it doesn't matter because I already told you at $1 each. So I paid 23. I had 23 of those, so it cost me about 23 bucks. And I don't have the list of how much it was here, but the shipping was very good. Now, I got this all. I ordered them, and the very next day, I got a email saying, your order has been shipped, okay? And let's see. Today is the 22nd, and this order, it says, was placed on the 16th. So figuring the weekend and everything, that's some pretty good time. And these all came in yesterday. So they came in from the 16th to the 21st. So they were shipped really well. Now, I was so excited that these were 99 cents each that I went back on their site and I ordered a whole bunch more. I did this night before last, and this comes to the issue of their customer service, okay? So I ordered, oh gosh, a whole mess of them. And I went on their account, and now I have 2 major emails that I use, okay? One of them is through Google, one of them is through Yahoo. And I believe when I opened up my initial account for all these guys here, I believe I made my account and went through... What was it? It was through Google, my Google account. So anyways, I went in there and I couldn't find my password, didn't know what it was. So I went to do it over again and I put in my Yahoo email. And I went in for a lost password. So it gave me another password. So now I was in, but I wasn't in my initial account. And I wanted to get in my initial account so I can add to that account and start building. And I think they even gave me a discount for the second account, but I couldn't get to it. So then I said, oh, it must have been my other email. But when I went back in, I couldn't get into it. So I was a little frustrated. And this order, I was putting it in about maybe, I don't know, 10 o'clock at night, okay? So I was kind of tired too. And so I said, I'll just do it. So I had the new account. I paid for it. I paid for it with my PayPal. But when I was going through, now I figured it would automatically put the right address and everything. So I just went through and I punched in, the beginning part of my address, punched in the numbers, and of course, everything else filled out automatically. I hit send and pay. And then it came up okay. And of course, I'm late and I'm going, yeah, it's okay. I hit okay. And then I realized that the pay address and the delivery address were wrong. Dun, dun, dun. That zoom came up my face, okay? They were wrong, okay? They were sending it to the same number, but a different street in town. And I think the street, 60, my number is actually a parking lot. So what am I going to do? And I know how fast these guys are. So like I said, it's pretty late at night. So I looked at their time, and they're open at 10 o'clock. So I'm going to call them at 10 o'clock in the morning and take care of this. So that would have been this morning. So this morning I got up and, self-employed. I said, let's go shopping. Okay, we went shopping and said, we got to get back. So we ran back home, and it was like 11 o'clock when I got home. Turn on my computer, look at my email. Your order has been sent. It's like, how quick can you guys, what do? Get up, brush your teeth, and send in the order? Come on. So I called them. And I said, look, I explained the problem, and I says, did you send it out already? She goes, oh, well, we bulk everything, so we send them, we do all the paperwork, and we go through, and we send them all out, so they'll be going out. Let me check. She checked, and she found it, and very, very pleasant young lady. When I told her what happened, she goes, oh, that's funny. It's like it wasn't funny to me last night, but it's kind of funny now. So she took care of it, sent it out, everything was all set. So their customer service is just as great as their prices. Wait a minute. Doesn't mean it's cheap. They have good customer service because they have good prices, is what I'm saying. So, MIGardner, okay, look at that name. Order your seeds from there. I don't get a commission, okay? I am not an affiliate. I'm just saying I like to get a good price and I like to get good service. And when I get it, I spread the word. So, MIGardner, 2 thumbs up. Thanks for your service. Thanks for your product. I'm really looking forward to planting these. I've got another order coming in real soon, and I will be ordering a lot more from you. And by the way, guys, go to their site, okay? I believe it's MIGardner. Well, punch that in, and you will see their YouTube. I'm subscribed to their YouTube. They have more training. This guy does an awful lot of training on all kinds of things from, planting to growing to making things, you name it, anything gardening. He has a lot of tutorials. You'll find it very helpful. I have. So thanks for watching, and remember to order a lot of seeds, okay? Click on the subscribe button below. I'd really appreciate it. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.